Okay, just so we start off on the same page, there is no video that I have found yet on YouTube that accurately explains how to replace your fog lights on a 2012 Honda CRV. I found like 07 through 2011, but no 12. So I'm not gonna make a big deal about this whole like long introduction of what you're gonna need. Look, the thing that would really help is one of those upholstery screwdrivers, the one with the teeth on the end. Okay, it looks kind of like this, but it has kind of a U shape. That's going to make your life a whole lot easier for pulling these push pins. If you don't have them, screwdriver. Okay, this is going to look real jacked up. That's because I've finally got it apart and figured out what to do. As you can see, my fog light's broken. My bumpers tore apart, bottom part, and it took a little while to figure out how to do it, but it's actually pretty easy. So if you were to place everything back up the way it should be, right? Let's just kind of go from like right, oh, damn it. Let's just go from like right here, okay? Everything's still connected, everything's good. What you're gonna need to do, I'm just gonna connect everything like this temporarily. What you are going to need to do, get underneath your car, push pins here, 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 here. We're going underneath this part. You're gonna have two. I don't know if I can see this. Yep, you're gonna have here and there, okay? You're gonna need to pull all, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, same thing on the other side. Again, if you look, it's right, well, I don't know why I'm showing my face. It's right underneath where that little flap is, okay? You need to pull all those. Then, you're going to need to, there's going to be another screw that goes here. There's going to be a pull pin here. Okay, if you were to like, I guess do it like that, it's all going to look, kind of go together like that. You're going to pull this apart. And what you're going to need to do is after you pull these right here, you're going to pull down on the inside. There's going to be another pull pin right there that connects this, okay? So once you get that, gently, and I'm talking gently, because if you don't, this part right here is going to snap out, and you'll notice, well, there's a screw that just fell out, and I'll show you where that come from. But there's going to be a thing right here that'll break, and then you won't be able to put it back together and be kind of janky. So once you get that apart, really, you just need to take a screwdriver, gently. There's going to be a tab right here. If you look, this slides right in there up. So gently take a screwdriver and pull down like this, and it should just pop right out, okay? Once you have all those pull pins out, this thing is actually going to pop out fairly easily. So once you get it, this will kind of fall down just a little bit. Now you'll need to do one other thing before you do that, and it was a pain in the ass, okay? You see this little thing right here? Well, let me show you what this looks like from underneath. Let me kind of put this back up here real quick. So from underneath, and it's gonna look like this, these little pull pins are gonna look like that. You're gonna slide your screwdriver in there. You're gonna lift up this little tab. You're gonna slide your screwdriver underneath this, and you're just gonna wiggle it back and forth until you can get it out. As you can see, this thing's already fallen. So once you get these all out, it's really easy. Okay, so once you get this out, you're gonna have to pull this apart. And since it's already apart, I'm just gonna show you, okay? You have to pull it apart. And through here, you're gonna have to reach your hand up in here, get a screwdriver in between that deal, pull it out, wiggle it back and forth, pull straight out. That's gonna be in this fog light housing right here. You're gonna have to do the same thing on the other side. I imagine I haven't taken the other side apart yet, so this is for the driver's side. Imagine the passenger side's gonna be the same thing. Okay, you're gonna have two screws. Everything is gonna have to be done on the inside, and I'm sure that you can take this entire bumper off and probably do it like that. I'm not doing that. So I need to keep control of these screws. Okay, so the best way I found, after you get, this is going to be attached like that. So you're going to be left with your bumper kind of like hanging, and you're going to be left with everything attached right here. You're going to come back in through this housing right here. You're going to kind of bend this out just a tad bit. Those holes right there that you see. Okay, let me see if I can do this. These holes that you see right there, are going to look like that. I easily got my drill in there. Okay, undid it really quick. And then from there, all you're gonna have to do, there's another pull pin right here that I'm not even gonna jack with because it actually makes it easier and it holds it for me. This housing holds it there. So all I gotta do is gently pull this out of the way, rotate this down or up or whatever, get my screwdriver behind it. There's another screw on this other side right here, right there. This takes this housing out. So after you're done putting your new housing in, your new housing should come with the light bulb. Honestly, these aren't bad. So what I'll probably end up doing is taking these out, saving them just in case one burns out. Because to replace your bulb, you don't gotta do any of this crap. All you gotta do is undo the push pins on the bottom of your bumper right here. Reach up inside, twist to the right, I believe. One way or the other, you twist it out, and then you could replace your bulb from there. You don't gotta take all this stuff apart. But if you wanna replace your fog light, that's how you do it. I hope that helped you guys. As always, I try to make videos whenever I fix stuff. So anything to help other people out like me, because I don't have money to go out and pay a mechanic to do this for me. So I'm gonna get this all replaced up. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment and I'll see about answering them the best I can. Thanks guys, have a great day.